Henry gets up every morning at 7 o'clock. He thinks it is too early. He first takes a shower and then feels better. His mother wants him to brush his teeth twice a day. He sometimes forgets that he is late for school. He usually has breakfast with his little sister, then he quickly gets dressed. They drink milk, but their parents take a cup of coffee. Last week he was punished because he forgot his school bag. He thinks his teachers are too strict. Of course, he doesn't have a driving license, so he can't drive to school. When it is too rainy, his dad drives him to school. Usually he bikes to school and finds that very funny. Today he is happy because he is not late. So, he will not get punished by the teacher. Mathematics is his favorite subject. He always gets very good marks. He also likes biology. He finds it very interesting. The problem is that he doesn't like his teacher. The school bell rings at 12 o'clock. It is midday and lunchtime. The children deserve a break after the hard work. Henry has lunch with his friends in the school canteen. However, he thinks it is very noisy. In the afternoon they have sports lessons. Most students love that. His school ends at 5 p.m. But after school there is still a lot to do. Henry can't watch TV. He has too much homework to do. Then, at last, comes dinner. Henry is usually starving by that time. His mum always cooks delicious dishes. After dinner he can finally watch his favorite TV program. Now it is time to go to bed, but Mum told him that he could read a book. Henry is still awake and he can hear his father close the door. His father works a lot and comes home very late after work. My parents think I do not sleep enough. Every night Mum comes upstairs and switches off the light.